Hi, Lloyd Wells from LloydWells.com. Yesterday I got in the mail my One Funnel Away challenge that I just joined. That starts tomorrow, April 29th. Right away, I thought I'd make a little video real quick to unbox this. Right away, you see this comes with a card there. It says, want to help your friends and followers build their business online. We'll read that a little bit later. So we see there's right away we get the little box here that contains the MP3 player that has a lot of encouraging stuff from funnel hackers there. And then we have a rather large book. So let's see. If you suddenly lose everything, 30days.com. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? So we're going to really dive into that book in the coming days. You have 30 days to take this challenge. Part of the thing was the 2 Comma Club coaching brochure in here. So we'll get into that. But the main thing to help you along with the challenge is the workbook. Looks really nice. You can take lots of notes in here. It's got the whole mission is in here, the core strategies. So we're gonna be taking this 30-day challenge right along with what I've been doing since the beginning of the year, and that's learning internet marketing. Down in the description, you can see my #1 recommendation to learn internet marketing. And it includes this the funnel so that it's really important to have these funnels. I've been seeing and with my efforts and everything, I haven't been really using one, and my numbers have been dwelling. I've been testing different things, so now we're gonna see what it's all about by taking this 30-day challenge. It was introduced to me through my #1 recommendation to enhance that and get my my efforts in full motion, in action. You want to take action each and every day to make a difference out there. Without action, you don't have success. Without the success, you're just not going to make it online. So at this, I'd like to encourage you to hit the subscribe button for me. Get my YouTube going here. That's going to be a big part of my challenge. Each day I'm going to challenge myself to get on, make a short video for the 30-day thing. That's just something I'm going to do along with the challenge as I learn how to do it the right way. So once again, I encourage you to hit the subscribe, like, share. That way we'll all be together within my my journey. Till next time.